Ronin Network games never stop pushing out content, from new seasons to events and even playtests for brand new games. So here are 4 games you should be aware of. Ragnarok Online Landverse America Pro Circuit is here. If you grew up playing Ragnarok Online, then this game was literally made for you. The game has been completely rebuilt from the ground up while maintaining the same feeling and mechanics. Except now there are earning mechanisms built directly into the game, since many of the items that you get in-game can be sold on the open marketplace. And right now, the Throne of Gems Pro Circuit is happening. This is the ultimate guild versus guild battle. From now until March 29th, guilds will be accumulating points by overtaking castles worth different values. By the end, only the top 6 guilds will advance to the next round. The competition will be fierce. If you have what it takes, head to rola.maxion.gg to begin your journey and find a guild. The next Calamity playtest starts March 12th. Calamity is a community-driven MMORPG with real-time PvP and a player-driven economy. The game is still in early development, with playtests happening regularly to test new features and reward their early users. And their next playtest starts March 12th, with a prize pool of $45,000 in worm tokens. The playtest will be split into 2 phases, with the first 5 days dedicated towards PvP and the second half dedicated towards PvE. So if you want to get in on the ground floor, head to app.calamity.online to get started, and check out their wiki for full details. There's even a creator contest with NFT and USDC rewards. Chicken Saga Season 3 is live. Imagine the thrill of cockfighting from the comfort of your own home. That's exactly where Chicken Saga comes into play. Raise your very own chickens and send them into the cockpit equipped with items that you crafted yourself. Season 3 of Chicken Saga just started, and there is already over 30 million cock token in rewards. 20 million is dedicated towards seasonal rewards, while 10 million is reserved for daily rewards through Li Weiwei's Blessing, which you have a chance to earn if you come out on top. If you don't already own a chicken, you can buy one on the Ronin Marketplace, or rent one through the Chicken Saga website. Just head to chickensaga.com to get started. Axie Infinity's bAXS rewards are now live on the Bounty Board. The Bounty Board is a questing system that spans the entire Axie ecosystem, from the app.axie website to any one of the many Axie games. By completing quests on the Bounty Board, you'll begin to earn points and climb the leaderboard. And the higher on that leaderboard you are, the more bAXS you stand to earn. There are even special master quests that are a bit more difficult, but you'll earn bAXS outright by completing the quest. bAXS has a ton of in-game uses, like evolving your Axies or breeding them together to create something brand new. You can even exchange your bAXS for crypto tokens, with the exchange rate varying based on your Axie score. If you're seeing this video, it is a sign from Atia. Will you answer the call? Head to app.axieinfinity.com to get started. The Ronin Network never sleeps. No matter what you're into, there's always something new to try or an opportunity to earn. So good luck, have fun, and I will see you in the next one.